Hi guys, welcome back. Today ago, official looking render of Galaxy View 2 leaked reveal its design along with few of its specification. Now thanks to AT&T we got now more about this device. AT&T posted a video revealing some of its specification and feature of Galaxy View 2. It confirmed that the Galaxy View 2 tablet will come with a 17.3-inch display having 1080p resolution. It will also feature a quad speaker with Dolby Atmos sound. Yes, that's right, it's come with a Dolby Atmos sound. The Galaxy View 2 will come with 64GB of onboard storage and having a microSD card slot that you can expand up to 400GB. The tablet support AT&T numbers that will let you make and receive call on the device. The Galaxy View 2 successor come with kickstand and let you use the apps in landscape and portrait mode, and it shipped with a Whoop 12,000 mAh battery, and yes, there is a USB Type-C port. The new Galaxy View 2 has a redesigned hanging stand. It should make the tablet usable for typing even if you lie at flat on its back, so to speak, because it will still be angled toward you. So what? And of course we also use as a standing position. The Galaxy View has an integrated handle which is going with View 2. However, the new tablet stand does have a big circle hole and you can presumably use that pick up the device and move from room to room. The Galaxy View 2 will be come with Samsung Exynos 7885 chipset with 3GB RAM. So it will not be a great with high-end specification. It will definitely launch on AT&T with model number SMT927A. So still we don't know the price and availability of device. So thanks guys for watching this video. If you like this video, click the like button. Let me know your thought on this smartphone. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.